I strongly believe that now, as the world is changing rapidly and it is moving on to AI and tech generation, it is going to change the whole dynamics of the industry. We have spent a good amount of 2-3 years, scratching our head off, doing the brainstormers. We have had sleepless nights.
So the system which we are building, that is going to help them to the T. So they are not dependent on anybody. They can do things by themselves. Give them knowledge, itinerary along with the cost on the spot. And we have seen the change.
Yeah.
We started getting queries where we never expected.
We're just cutting down the dependency.
Once the first phase is done, then it will get filtered down and then it will come to a DMC partner. So now the challenge with DMC is also we get tons of inquiries every day. But this will filter down all the inquiries, and when it comes to DMC, then we know that the conversion is 80 to 90% because the first phase is already done. The itineraries has already been selected, the cost is almost done.
This is not a competition. This is me helping them, empowering them. This is our contribution to our travel industry friends.
So it's a game changer.
Yeah, it's an absolute game changer, Riya, and you are leading that game changing phenomenon.
And I see a future is into AI.